Today in this video we are going to show you how to fix your LG TV if you're getting a no signal. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient. Here wait for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If it not clear the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Look on the back or side of your TV. You want to make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into the back of the connector. Next, press the source button on the LG TV remote. Go to select HDMI port. Select the HDMI port number that the device is connected to your TV. This fixes your problems. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.